Yeah. Alrighty, y'all. I'm about to get us some breakfast cooking. Gonna make some bacon. And we're gonna do some sausage. I got my cinnamon right there because I'm gonna make some French toast. Alrighty, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. This is gonna be good, y'all. Look at that bacon sizzling. Look at it sizzling. And I cooked it on like 250, so it's not cooking too fast. But this is cooking mighty fast, so. Alrighty, let me go on and flip. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna do my, I ain't all that fancy when it comes to French toast, but I'm gonna do it how I think. So I'm not gonna make that many. Probably just enough for me and Raynesha, because Gary just wants toast. Alright, so we got the little eggs going. Alright, let me get some milk. I'm assuming that's all that goes in it. Alright. Oh, I guess I should have had the milk already. Yeah. Alright, bacon looking good. Alright, now just a little bit of milk. And then cinnamon. And if it takes more than that, you guys, comment below and let your TT know. But this is how I make mine. Ooh, that was a lot of cinnamon. I hope it's good, y'all. I hope it's good, y'all. It's gonna be good. Alright, so I got my eggs going. Well, my mix for my French toast. Alrighty. Okay. Sorry about that. Let me put this bacon over because it's cooking mighty fast. Ooh, y'all, look at that bacon. Look at that bacon, y'all. I love this thing. It cooks. I can cook, you know, several pieces at a time. Now, if I was just cooking breakfast for myself, I would have put my bacon in the air fryer. This is how my mix is looking for the French toast. Alright, then we got the bacon almost done. Look at that sausage, y'all. Alright, so we got my French toast, we got the bread, and we got the butter. Getting ready to go in the pan? Yes. Yes, Susie, yes. Is record on? Mm-hmm. Alright. Alright, so we're going to get the bread. Ooh, that's a lot of cinnamon. You think that's too much cinnamon? Mm-hmm. Okay. Did you? Alright. Ooh, it's gonna be good, y'all. It's gonna be good, y'all. I wonder if I can get 3 in there. Probably can. I better stick with 2. Right, record. Alright, y'all, I ain't got no paper towel. Well, I got some, but we gotta save them. So, just put your little bacon in the strainer so it can strain off that grease. Look at that bacon, y'all. Ooh, look at that bacon. Ooh. Okay, and we got the sausage going. Alrighty. Alright, now we gotta. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Gots to be more careful. Man, listen, cooking with your TT. Hey, cooking with your TT. Hey. Look, we ain't done yet. I still gotta do them eggs, y'all. All right, yeah. Ooh, yes. All right. That's what you call making a meal. Yes. All right. Get some more butter up in here. Woo! I didn't mean to yell, y'all. Sorry. I need to try to get oh my gosh. I think my fire too high. You think we can get one more in the pan? What you think? Oh no. Bread moving. Dang it. Dang it. Don't that look good, y'all? Don't you want some? Don't you want some? Oh, look at that. Yes.
How many of it is this? How many of us is it?
It's 3 of us. So how many eggs you gonna cook? You don't even let the butter melt? So Nisha's doing the egg, y'all. You don't let the butter melt? Come here, another piece of butter, please, for my French toast. Oh, that's say, did the fire go out?
No, you turned it down.
I did, because it was doing the most.
But I'm about to teach y'all how to make eggs.
She's gonna show us how to make eggs, y'all.
That forward pan.
Your who?
That forward pan.
This one?
Yeah.
For what?
The eggs.
So I'm gonna put my French toast back there?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, go ahead.
It's hot yet.
Whenever you ready.
Oh, snap.
Yup.
All right.
I'm professional.
Fashion now.
Did you just steal my pot?
You just told me to use the... You just said you wanted the front pot. Ain't that what you said? That's not what you said?
She trying to scrape the look.
Look, I'm about to get it all on there. Shoot. Okay.
Oh, we moving. My bad.
All right, there you go.
Need my other egg.
She's doing the eggs, y'all.
You know.
All right.
You are.
She said she don't like my eggs.
Look.
That's how you feel?
Okay. You already
That's
know
how you feel? She don't
Chef,
like my eggs. What's up with that?
Chef Nisha Drizzle. What's up, my nizzle?
What's up, girl?
Okay, that one didn't want to crack open.
All right.
I need one more because it's 6 of us.
You might as well put that last egg in there.
Okay, I will.
That last egg in there.
Okay.
What kind of season you gonna put?
None.
Really?
Shelby changed my life. I'm sorry.
Wow.
That's not okay. You're going to have to cut that out. I got to rinse off my hands.
Okay.
Move now.
All right.
This is chef time.
French toast back there, then we got that right there.
This is for the people that know what they're doing.
Don't put a lot of salt. You know I can't have all that salt. Nisha!
What? That's the recipe.
Okay, she's putting some basil up in there.
Basil.
Okay. Dang. She gonna have us some green eggs. And what else you putting up in there? Okay, some black pepper.
Pepper.
Okay.
Make it look like Shanta's.
Why you gonna do your brother like that? Why you gonna do your brother like that? Can you flip my French toast?
Flip other people's food that they not paying to move.
Oh!
I'm sorry. That was
You just messed up the whole video.
That's not.
And your ashy arm.
That's not ready. My arm is
Okay, it's not ready.
dry.
I'm just checking. Yeah, all right.
Cut it.
Come on, man.
Then you want.
That's how you cook eggs?
This is how you scramble them.
Okay.
You just take the spatula and you just start running the spatula.
Okay.
And then you just scrape it off. You don't want it to sit too long because then it starts. Don't do that. But yeah. And like this, because it's so much, the little seasoning that I did put in didn't distribute evenly. So we might need more salt and pepper.
No, don't put no more salt up in there. You would add it to your eggs.
Pepper. pepper.
Doing a lot of scraping.
But we probably, well, that's why I got the wooden one so it doesn't hurt the bottom of the pan.
That's
I told
right.
you, I'm a chef.
That's right. Chef RD right here.
I told you. That's why you be looking up to me. Because you be like, Nisha, how you cook your eggs? You know what I say?
Them look good, y'all.
I say, don't worry about it, Becky. I cook my eggs how I cook my eggs.
All right, sweetheart.
And that's why when you be asking me to cook eggs for you, I put extra salt.
Can you flip my French toast, please?
Yes, ma'am. Wet glands, not bullet. Those are not ready.
I'm sweating.
You are sweating.
They are ready.
No, they're not.
I
They
just
don't look
looked
like
at them.
those. They don't look like those.
Those came out pretty, didn't they?
Yeah, exactly. See, this is not how eggs should look. Your eggs should never look this light.
More seasoning salt in there now.
Because you
I ain't gonna be able to eat the eggs.
Oh no. Oh no. The eggs were too light. That means they don't have enough seasoning. And it's not all the way through. And then, like this is when you take it out. You don't do that. I thought you stopped. I was gonna say, don't cut me out.
I'm not
Don't cut
cutting
out
you
my
out.
segment. You don't take them out right here.
Okay.
You let them be in the pan.
Okay.
And you keep moving them around. Right?
I need you to flip that French toast.
You don't flip that either. You move it around, even it out. Right? I'm teaching y'all something new. Y'all gonna be like, oh my God, you should need to be cooking more. I learned so many oats.
Why? Those gonna be your pieces too. You don't squeeze it when you pick it up. You barely hold it, Nisha.
You didn't tell me that.
Them gonna be your pieces.
Ooh. Okay, that one was ready. I don't want that.
Them gonna be your pieces.
Because that don't even have the same amount of eggs as cinnamon. I want this one.
Alrighty, y'all. Look at this French toast, sausage, bacon, and eggs. Nisha's specialty eggs. And then French toast. I've been craving some French toast, y'all. Like for real. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, yeah. Yes, look at that, y'all. Look at it, brown and crispy. I need some butter on my French toast, please.
You literally cook them in butter.
I want some more butter.
Well, butter has a lot of salt in it, so no.